Hello everyone, how are you doing? I think you guys doing fabulous. I'm doing great. In this video, I'm going to share a significant message which is none other than what money. Money. What is money? Do you know? Okay, everyone is know money. What is money, and what is the definition of money, and what's the response of money? Why we have to get money and why we have to earn money. So if you haven't money, that you will be blind, you will be dumb, you cannot do anything except money in this world. That's why money is like I can say significant part of life. That the reason you have to do something for getting money. So whenever you have money, you can buy honey. So though it sounds hilarious, but it's harsh true. We have to accept that. Accept money, we cannot buy honey, and there, like also, your nanny will never give you priority if you haven't money. Okay. By the way, I'm joking. By the joking, I'm practicing with myself, and because here you can't see anyone with me, with with him or her. I will practice. There's none. That's why I'm practicing myself with the camera. I can see my face and how I'm elaborating. Though I'm representing it joking way, but though it's joking, so through the joke or you can say through this video, I'm practicing. I wanna get my proficiency on English. That's why I'm learning. I'm practicing. Okay, so how about you? You have to share your idea with me. I love to share my idea with you, and this is like my from my I can say childhood when I understood that life, what is life, and day by day, and I was understanding. At the time, I started to share my vibe, my idea. I love to extend my idea to others. So you have to share your idea, I mean positive idea to others, so that people can be ours, people can be success, people can like be ruly, so they can get their like strength and how they will be success in their life. Okay. By the way, you can see this is the mask. This pond, though it's little pond. By the way, what should I say? I don't know. So happy learning. Keep going. Try to do something better. Okay. So how I don't know. Before ending this video, I'm gonna again show you this view. Okay. Here is this view. Bye. I love it.